Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace the windshield wipers on a 2023 Volkswagen Tahoe. So yeah, with that being said, let's get to it. First, you're going to turn your car on accessory mode. You're going to wait a few seconds. Then you're going to turn it off, and then the windshield wiper stalk, you're going to pull down on it and put the wipers in their service mode. Once the wipers are in the service mode, you're going to lift up on the wiper arm, and then you're going to press that little square button and then pull up to release the wiper. Once you get the driver's side removed, you can do the exact same thing on the passenger side. Now, the same way you took out the old ones, that is exactly the same way you're going to install the new wipers. Now, to take the windshield wipers out of the service mode, all you're going to do is you're going to turn the vehicle on, pull down on the windshield stalk, and then they're back in the normal position. Okay, there you go. Just showed you how to install some brand new wipers on a Volkswagen Tahoe. If you haven't done so yet, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also turn on those notifications because I will be posting more content in the near future. Other than that, YouTube, that's it for now. Until next time, take it easy.